Oberon offers a variety of mounting solutions for enterprise access points. Among the most popular are right-angle brackets, which provide an economical solution for aesthetically blending access points into environments, while also keeping the access point in the preferred horizontal orientation. Oberon's 1008 series right-angle brackets with beam clamps and black vanity covers are designed for mounting access points for most vendors in open ceiling or high bay environments. The paintable vanity cover conceals the access point, providing a clean and aesthetic solution. To begin the installation, you will need the 1008 mounting bracket, the universal T-bar bracket, the black vanity cover and Velcro strip, the access point mounting plate and screws, the Meraki access point, and a screwdriver. Fasten the T-bar to the mounting bracket. Screw in the access point mounting bracket. Snap the access point into the mounting bracket. If use of the vanity cover is desired, attach the Velcro strip. Press down firmly to ensure contact. The 1008 bracket also includes beam clamps. Mount the beam clamps to the desired location, tightening the underside screws to secure in place. Use the provided screws to fasten the 1008 bracket with access point assembly to the beam clamps. Due to the weight of this unit, plastic expansion wall anchors are not adequate for drywall installations. Instead, Oberon recommends that one of the following be used. 1. Threaded drywall anchors. 2. Threaded drywall toggles. 3. Sleeve-type hollow wall anchors known as molly bolts, or 4. Toggle bolts.